गोंय तियात्र अकादमीन घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या म्हयन्याळ्या कार्यावळीत मडगांव मुंगलचो तियात्रिस्ट जॉन ग्राशियस ह्या म्हयन्याचो तियात्रिस्त थारलो. ही कार्यावळ मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात जाली. तियात्रिस्तांची वळख घडोवन दिवपा खातीर गोंय तियात्र अकादमी ही कार्यावळ आयोजीत करता.
आतांचे जे कलाकार आसात तांकां सगोट वळखतात, सगोट जाणात, पूण जे कलाकार जी माची इतली वर्सां सांबाळली ते माचयेर आतां आमी काम करतात. तांणी खांद मारून ती माची दवरलेली म्हणून आयज आमकां ती माची पळोवंक मेवता. तर असले कलाकारांचें योगदान आमचे पिळगेचे पिळगेक कळपाक जाय. हाका लागून जे फाटल्या वर्सांचे कलाकार आसात ते खोडून सोदून हांव हाडटां, कारण तांचो इतिहास आमकां आतांचे पिळगेक कांयच खबर ना. तर हो तांचो इतिहास आमी तियात्र अकॅडमी सांबाळून दवरतात.
हांव ह्या फुडें म्हजें जिवीत ह्या कांतारांनी हांव सदांच तुमच्या मुखार ही म्हजी कांतरां दवरतलो आनी ही कोंकणी माचयेक सदांच हांव म्हजी मान बागयतलो.
घरच्या मैदानार जावपी फिफा वर्ल्ड कप ब्राझीलूच जिखतलो असो विश्वास तांचो कोच लुईस फेलिपे स्कॉलारिकान उक्तायलो. ब्राझील पंगडात पेजाद खेळगडे आसात. ते भायर ऑस्काक आनी डेव्हिड लुईस हे ह्या पंगडांतले कांय खेळगडे जे बॉला वांगडा जादू करपाची तांक दवरतात. अशा ह्या गुणी पंगडाक खंयच्याय लोकांचो खडेगांठ तेंकोय मेळटा हें पोरूच्या कॉन्फेडरेशन्स कप जैतांतल्यान दिसून आयलां. आतां ब्राझीलाक वर्ल्ड कप जिखपाचे वेध लागल्यात.
With an 11-year unbeaten record on home soil and 200 million fans behind them, Brazil are clearly among the favourites for 2014 World Cup glory. But the shadow of their last stint as tournament host looms large when neighbours Uruguay pipped them to the trophy in 1950. A good blend of young talent, including the likes of Oscar and David Luiz, are bolstered by older heads, including recalled goalkeeper Julio César and Fred. Head coach Luis Felipe Scolari has done it all before, leading Brazil to World Cup glory in 2002. Affectionately nicknamed Filipao by his countrymen, Scolari was not universally welcomed when he replaced the much-maligned Mano Menezes in late 2012. But Brazil was soon winning trophies once more, triumphing at last year's Confederations Cup, beating Italy, Uruguay and Spain in the process. The man himself believes home advantage will be key.
We have a squad that is competitive and of high quality. Having this, together with the fans at home, means we can always be the best. That's why I'm completely confident that we can get to the final and become the champions.
It may be his first World Cup, but great things are expected of Neymar. Touted from a tender age by another Santos legend Pelé, Neymar eventually outgrew his hometown club to join one of world football's giants, Barcelona, in 2013. Sublime skill and pace have made him an indispensable part of Brazil's front line, winning the Golden Ball at the Confederations Cup.
Acho que o Brasil, todas as seleções que o Brasil...
Every time Brazil have won the World Cup, we always had players who made the difference, mainly in attack. We remember in 1994 with Romario and Roberto. In 2002 we had Ronaldo and Rivaldo. Our offensive players have always made the difference, and I believe that Neymar is for sure today one of the best players in the world.
E acredito que o Neymar com certeza dos melhores jogadores no mundo hoje.
As hosts, Brazil will get the 2014 World Cup underway when they take on Croatia in Sao Paulo on June the 12th. Group A also serves up a rematch against Mexico, the side Brazil dispatched 2-0 in the Confederations Cup group stages. African side Cameroon also await in the capital city Brasilia on June the 23rd. The hopes of the host nation will weigh heavy on the men in yellow and green. but no one would be surprised to see them secure a record 6th World Cup title.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.